Hi, I'm Francis from Front Row Music, and I got a feeling you're going to really like this video. Now, in the first episode, Dave taught you all about the parts of the guitar. In the second episode, Adam taught you how to tune the guitar. And now in this episode, I get to do the really fun thing, which is teaching you how to actually play the guitar. Now, first off, everything I'm going to be doing in this video is right-handed. If you're left-handed or if your child is left-handed, just think of everything I'm saying in reverse. So the first thing we need to do is just have a quick recap of the strings. So we've got E, and then we've got A, and then D, and then G, and then B, and then another E, the high E. Easy way to remember that: elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Okay, so we want to use our right hand to pluck the guitar. So the way we do that is we do a thumbs up with our right hand. We put our thumb on top of the string and we just push away like that. So give that a go on your E string, your elephant string. Thumb on top, pluck like that. Now, in order to change the note, to change the pitch of the string, we're going to have to use these frets here. Now, each fret is numbered, so we've got fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, fret 5, and so on like that. And as you heard then, each fret changed the pitch of the string. It went higher and higher as the number went higher and higher. So the way we squeeze on a fret to begin with is you're going to use your index finger as your left hand, or the pointer finger as we say to the younger ones, and you're just going to squeeze in the box. So we'll start with fret 1. Now you don't want to squeeze on the metal part, on the actual strip of metal that's going underneath the strings. You want to be just behind it like that, or just in the middle, and you're going to squeeze, and with your right hand you're going to pluck, and that's how you make a different note on a string. Now if you're playing an open string, as in you're not squeezing a fret like this, the number we use for that is 0. So if we take a really easy tune, like the theme tune for Jaws, that's just 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now that's how we play the guitar, but we also need a way to write the music down. Now you may have seen the sheets that we give your child to take home so they can practice. They're called tab sheets. So let's dive in and have a look at how they work. Okay, so if we look at these pictures, at the top we've got a close-up of the guitar strings, and at the bottom we've got a tab sheet. On the right hand side of both of them you've got the string names, E, A, D, G, B, E. But if you compare the two, you'll see that those letters are in the opposite order on the tab sheet to how they are on the guitar. That's because on the tab sheet we draw the lines, the strings, in order of pitch. So we have the lowest pitch string at the bottom and the highest pitch string at the top. So even though it's the opposite to that geographically on the guitar, we write it that way on the tab sheet so that it corresponds to the actual pitch. So what I'm going to do now is play each guitar string. You're going to hear each guitar string being played. You're going to see that string highlighted on the guitar, but you're also going to see the corresponding tab line highlighted. So you'll see which tab line corresponds with which string. So that's how the lines on the tab sheet correspond to the strings on a guitar. Now I'm going to go back to playing Jaws. This time you're going to see the tab sheet for that underneath, and you'll notice that the numbers read from left to right in the order that I'm playing them. Now if we're playing a piece of music that uses more than one string, the same rules apply. The notes read from left to right, and you just have the tab number written on the relevant string. So if we take something like the intro to James Bond, it'll go like this. Now occasionally you'll see 2 or more notes stacked on top of each other on a tab sheet. That just means that you play those 2 notes and those 2 strings at the same time, like the intro to I Got a Feeling. And that's how you play a melody and read tab. Dead easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you tune into the next one where Sam is going to teach you all about playing chords. See you later.